Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
All right, winter arrives today, so happy winter, everybody, and a winter-like forecast for today. That starts to change by Tuesday and Wednesday as some milder temperatures push in, almost spring-like. We'll talk more about that in just a few minutes. First, though, live Pinpoint Doppler 12 shows some rain and snow showers out here in Plymouth County, Massachusetts. I'm going to be watching this band of snow carefully. It's pushing through Connecticut right now. Looks like it's trying to mix with some rain offshore, but as this moves through, probably primarily snow as it enters southwestern Rhode Island, and that will be a key player in the forecast for today with those snow showers. Now, by the time we get into the late afternoon and evening, notice we start to push away the clouds, so by tomorrow morning, we're kind of in that gap between weather systems. The next one arrives Monday night into Tuesday, which we'll also talk about in just a second. When we add everything up from today, I'm going with a coating to 2 inches for most of you, and I realize that's a big range to use, but similar to last night, these bands of snow will probably set up where some locations get maybe an inch or two of snow, and you get a few miles away from that, you can end up with a dusting. So it's kind of a pain in the neck to forecast. As far as the locations most likely to get closer to that 1 or 2 inch amount, I would say right here in the western part of Kent County, maybe West Greenwich, over to Hope Valley, the western part of South County as well could pick up that. Some of our models are indicating a little bit of a flare-up with the light to moderate snow here. For the rest of us, though, about a coating will do it. From New Bedford points east, even in the Little Compton, we're likely going to mix in some rain showers, so it's going to be tough for the snow to stick here. As we look at our hurricane barrier camera, mostly cloudy skies, not seeing any snow falling right now. And from the capital city, visibility's been kind of off and on this morning with those temperatures right around freezing in Providence, 30 in Smithfield, 36 Newport, 36 New Bedford. Do use caution, especially to the north and west of I-95, where these temperatures are below freezing and you have some of that moisture refreezing from last night. It's a complicated situation on the satellite map. Sometimes the bigger weather systems are easier to forecast than the smaller ones, and it's this little wave right here that's producing some of the rain and snow showers across Long Island into Connecticut. And it's really how far that pivots into Rhode Island that determines how much snow we really end up getting today. Again, it's not going to be a lot, but there could be some times today where it comes down at a moderate clip, especially in southwestern Rhode Island. So we keep the snow in the forecast pretty much all day long, off and on, and temperatures in the mid to upper 30s inland. You can see around 39 in Smithfield. I wouldn't be surprised to see some low 40s here at the coast, especially from Newport, Little Compton, and points east, where we will be throwing in some rain potentially along with the snow. And then tonight, those temperatures getting to around freezing, and then that sets up a decent Monday. Now, by Monday night, actually, I'll backtrack to Monday day for just a second. During the day, we'll see increasing clouds, temperature around 40 degrees. By night, the chance of some rain showers moves through. This may start off as some freezing rain, especially north and west of 295. So we'll have to keep a close eye on that. Often that freezing rain could be more of an issue than snow. Tuesday is not a big deal. We'll have some rain showers. Could see some slick roads in the morning due to that freezing rain, but by the afternoon, it's plain old light rain showers. Then on Wednesday for Christmas Eve, rain and wind, potentially temperatures into the upper 50s, maybe a few 60s out there. 1 to 3 inches of rain is possible. Some localized street flooding will be there along with some very gusty winds. So if you have plans to travel by road on Christmas Eve, definitely allow some extra time and definitely call ahead to your airlines to see if there are any delays. But I'll tell you what, if you're flying out of town or somebody's flying in, this is much better than seeing a snowstorm on Christmas Eve. So that's the silver lining in that part of the forecast. Then on Christmas Day, some rain showers during the morning. That should wrap up around noontime. Then partly cloudy, breezy in the afternoon. Temperatures will start in the 40s during Christmas morning. Or temperatures will start in the 50s during Christmas morning and then drop into the 40s. You can always go to WPRI.com for an updated weather discussion.
Now, Eyewitness Sports with Mark Dondero.
The Providence Friar basketball team is defending champions.